I'll be with you as soon as I can. I'll be there as soon as I can.
I'll be back as soon as I can, okay?
We'll take him back to Billy's.
Be there as soon as I can.
Look, you better just start without me, okay? I'll get there as soon as I can.
I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
Of course you will.
No. Let her rest. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Believe me, I come home to Daddy just as soon as I can.
As soon as I can, I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna move to New York City.
But I will call you as soon as I can, okay? I miss you so much already.
Bolt the door. Don't let anyone in. I'll be back as soon as I can.
I'll be back as soon as I can, promise.
Gotta go save the world?
Yep.
I really have to get going. But I will be back just as soon as I can.
I'll come visit you as soon as I can, I promise.
I'd like that. I want to get us all around the same table together.
Tell me, where are you?
St. Louis.
All right, give me an address and I'll get there as soon as I can.
And I will pay you back as soon as I can.
I don't want you to pay me, Ted. I want you to pay them.
I'm just calling to let you know that there's a naked woman in your bed.
Well, why don't the two of you get started, and I'll be there as soon as I can.
Oh, it's very funny.
Look, I love you, but there's no way that they're going to let me cast this thing until I've seen everyone. And I'll let you know as soon as I can.
Yeah, I know you will, because my manager is going to be bugging you day and night, okay? And me.
I'm sorry about all this. I know I put you and the kids through so much. I'm gonna try and get back here as soon as I can.
You forget about us. You just worry about getting better. I can hold down the fort, no problem.